The shingles we're using here are asphalt shingles, partially because that's what was here before. But unlike the old 3-tab style shingles, these are architectural or dimensional shingles. After the porch roof was covered, we decided to add a few skylights to brighten up that area. So once the holes are cut out, Doug handles the installation of those himself because the shallow pitch here makes that a really tricky job. These units are from Velux and are designed with multiple layers of protection to make sure we never have any leaks from them. Now, while the roofers are hard at work, so are the stucco installers. They begin by hanging cement backerboard across the surface to be covered. These individual pieces are seamed together with a fiberglass mesh tape and coated with stucco to keep the joints from showing through the finished surface. After that, a base coat covers the whole thing before the color tinted final coat is applied.